Hello, 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 hello. So today's daily lead. Oh shit! I forgot to change the name of the stream. Spend time doing this. Uh, uh, what- um, eh, oh, one live viewer already. Uh, let's change the name. One minute, bro. The 2661 is starting this. Okay, so what is this question? You are given a zero index integer array. Okay, and M by N matrix mat both contains numbers ranging from 1 to M into N. Okay, so all unique numbers. Okay, go through each index of array of I starting at index 0 and paint the cell in mat. Con okay, uh, return the smallest index I at which either row or column, any one row of column is painted in matrix. Okay, so. Yes. This is one, so one will be painted. Three will be painted. Four painted, and this row and this column are painted. Okay. Am I getting it correct? Two is painted, eight is painted, seven is painted, and then four is painted. So this column is painted. Okay, cool. Uh, I can see one solution very directly. That is that just store harm like make two arrays, one of all the rows, so this one, and one of all the columns, and start painting. So put all these numbers into a map with their index. Uh, map. Should I put them in a map? Yeah, map. Put them in a map with their indexes, and let's say one will be 0, 0. So I'll traverse through this array, find the position of one, and then one is 0, 0. So now I'll plus the row of one and all row of 0 and column of 0. Three will be 1, 1. So row of one plus plus and column of one, 1 plus plus. Uh, and four will be 0, 1. So row of 0 plus plus and column of 1 plus plus. And at this point, we find out that column is equals to 2 and row also is equals to 2. So that I think that will work. Let's try to code this out. Unordered map int comma bear int MP. Now for int for int auto x of mat for I can't do this because I need the indexes. And I is equals to 0, I is smaller than int m is equals to mat dot size, int n is equals to mat of 0 dot size, int I is equals to I smaller than n, I plus plus for int j is equal to 0, j smaller than n, j plus plus. Now I add all this MP of mat of I j is equals to I comma j. Cool. Now I have this stored. This is my very basic solution. I think there could be a better solution, but let's just try this out first. I know I should not try it before optimizing, but I think right now I'm okay with that. Uh, Now, once I have this, I can just in rows vector int row. How many rows are there? There are m rows, n columns. Cool. And all of them are zero. All of them are zero at the start. For int I is equals to 0, I for int I is equals to 0, I smaller than n, int p is equals to p I plus plus. Okay, cool. Ah, p is m into n though. I could also have written it that way, or I could have not used this. So it's okay. Um, Now um, int x is equals to p of array of I first int y is equals to mp of row call array of I second. Now rows of so there are, let's say it's a 3 comma 4 matrix. So there are possible efforts small business. Let's just write it now. Now we'll check row of row. Okay. So till this, I think we are correct. Now let's see how will this work. Now, if I have m rows, m rows, so m rows and n columns. That is correct. M rows and n columns, which is correct. Now, oh shit. This works, but let's see time complexity wise. Okay, does not work actually. Expected output one. Hmm. Huh? Why is my answer wrong? There are two rows, full, and three columns. That is correct. Full one is in second row, which is correct. And one is in first column, zeroth column, which is also correct. Zero index. Four is in zeroth row, which is correct. Four is in zeroth column, which will also be correct. And this should give us an answer, but this should be n, this should be n. Okay. Cool. Not the best answer ever. Let's see if we can optimize it. 43, it's not bad though. Like the time complexity is m by n, the space complexity is also m by n. One thing we can do is instead of this, we can int. So this will become I into m plus j mod n divided by m mod n. I into n plus j. It should be n because 0 into 1, 1 into 2. This seems good. So this way, like space will decrease by half. And time also gets better because IO increases better. Ah, and complexity wise, it's the same, but real time, real time. This will get optimized by the. This should get optimized by the compiler, so that this is not an issue. But 75. Can we do better? Is there any way we can do better? Cool. Let's see the editorial. Brute force. Okay, num to index. I think I'm happy with my solution though. Okay. This is what I'm doing, I think. Yeah, exactly. This is what I'm doing. Brute force optimized by counting. Mhm. So let's look at reverse mapping. Okay. Let's see how this works. Reverse mapping. The real time wise, it's taking actually much bad, or, or equal, or like somewhat equal, let's say, though it's not beating the best. Uh, num to index for every number result in math. Number of rows, number of columns. Okay, like the earliest row that can be completed. Okay, okay, cool. And then this is actually bad. Like time complexity wise, they are using 2n square, which is bad than n square. So yeah, I would not like to do that.